Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda and today we will discuss the very important topic, that is time and work. Okay, so this is Current Affairs Funda, free education revolution to all of you. So friends, in the time and work problems there are certain types. Okay, so this is very broad lecture, and as per the concern of SSC CGL as well as railway exams. Okay, so this chapter gonna very important. Okay, so LIC exams are in pipeline and it's on 5th and 6th of March, so that's why I'm making this video. So in the first phase I'll discuss basic questions. Okay, and after that I will solve condition based problems in the time and work section, and after that I'll solve alternative days problems. Okay, and after that I will discuss some efficiency based problems. Okay, so this will be the fourth lecture, and in the fifth lecture I will discuss basically direct formula based problems. Okay, and in 6 lectures or and in concepts problems. Okay, suppose 2 men 3 women or 4 men 5 children can do a piece of work in X days, that's etc. Okay, so I'll solve basically these kind of problems. So this is all about the factual based like direct formula based problems also, and in the next I'll discuss work and wages problems. Okay, and friends, after that there will be a topic that is pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns will be the last topic, because this is very similar to the work, time and work. Okay, so all the segment if I have already discussed in the time and work problems basic questions, then you can easily solve the pipe and cisterns problem also. But don't worry, I will discuss each and everything related to the pipe and cisterns. Okay, so this is the agenda before discussing the time and work problems. Okay, so this is first lecture, and today we will discuss basic problems. Okay, so guys, before going to our lecture I would like to inform you about our channel. We are delivering free education, all of you. Spread the word among your friends and share for those people who cannot afford the coaching classes, and learning is priceless, so please do at least for them. Okay, and if you want any specific topic video, then you can do comment on our Facebook channel, that is facebook.com/Current Affairs Funda CF. And friends, one thing more, I will decode this lecture in bilingual formats. Okay, why? Because a lot of students from North India as well as from South Indian. Okay, so as per the concern of these students I'll discuss both the format here. Okay, basically first of all I'll discuss the questions in English, and after that I will decode that question in also Hindi too. Okay, so this lecture gonna include Hindi as well as English. Okay, so this is basically math topic, so I don't think you will feel any kind of difficulty solving these sessions. Okay, so let's go. So before solving the time and work problem, there are certain concepts. How to find the LCM in a very quick and smarter way, and how to find the efficiency. What is efficiency? So I will tell you some basic terms. Okay, so friends, first of all, taking the LCM in very faster way. Taking the LCM in very faster way, because it's all about the play of LCM. देखिए इसमें क्या करना है, बेसिक हमें LCM सीखना है कि कैसे हम फास्ट तरीके से LCM ले सकते हैं. मैंने LCM और HCF की वीडियो जो मेरी नंबर सिस्टम्स की जो प्लेलिस्ट है उसमें पड़ी हुई है, आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ टू फाइंड द LCM इन अ वेरी स्मार्ट वे. सपोज द नंबर दैट इज 10, 20 as well as 30. Okay, so this is the number and you need to find out the LCM. Okay, so how you can do this? Which number is greater here? 30 is the greatest number. Okay, so you just need to read the table of 30, 60 and 90. Okay, and up to so on. See, the first number, that is 30, is 30 divided by 10? Yes. Is 30 divided by 20? No. So cancel out this number. And again, that is 60. Is 60 divided by 10? Yes. Is 60 divided by 20? That is okay. Is 60 divided by 30? That is okay. So 60 is the LCM here. Okay. दिस इज अ वेरी स्मार्ट वे। देखिए क्या करना है, अगर मैं 10, 20, 30, 10, 20 और 30 का एलसीएम निकालना है तो सबसे पहले जो बड़ा नंबर है उसकी टेबल पढ़नी है। बड़ा नंबर है 30, उसकी टेबल पढ़ते हैं 30, 60, 90। तो हमें क्या मिला है, 30 के बाद 60 मिला है। 60 को डिवाइड करना है बाकी तीनों नंबर से। अगर 60 मल्टीपल है उन तीन नंबर्स का तो 60 इज द एलसीएम। ओके, टेक अनदर नंबर लाइक 12, 15 and 20, 12, 15 as well as 20. So what is the LCM of these three numbers? So 20 is the largest number. The table of 20, that is 20, 40 as well as 60. Is 20 divisible by 12, 15 and 20? This will not be divisible by 12, so cancel out this one. Is 40 divisible by 12 and 15? No, not at all. Is 60 divisible by 12? Yes. Is 60 divisible by 15? 4 times, that is okay. Is 60 divisible by 20? Yes. So 60 is the LCM for these particular three numbers. देखिए 12, 15, 20 में सेम कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करना है। सबसे बड़ा नंबर क्या है, 20। 20 का एलसीएम निकालना है मुझे इन तीनों नंबर्स का। तो 20 की टेबल पढ़नी है 20, 40, 60 अप टू 100 तक। तो देखिए 20 और 40 ऐसे दो नंबर हैं, ये 12 और 15 से डिवाइड नहीं होंगे, लेकिन जो नेक्स्ट नंबर 60 आएगा ना, 60 डिवाइड हो जाएगा। तो हमें क्या करना है, 60 को डिवाइड करके देखना है, 12, 15 और 20 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो 60 उसका एलसीएम हो गया। ओके, तो ये तो बेसिक फंडा है एलसीएम कैलकुलेट करने का। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज द इफिशियंसी। ओके, बिकॉज आई विल सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इफिशियंसी। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ इफिशियंसी? इफिशियंसी दैट मीन्स 1 day work, 1 day work of any man. Suppose a lots of work, that is called the total work. Okay, so when you divide the total work by a work done by a individuals, that is known as the efficiency. Okay, so there is a formula of efficiency. Efficiency, that is denoted as a E. E is equals to total work. What's your total work? Divide by work done by a single man. Work done by one man, that will be the efficiency of one man. Okay, so assume, suppose total work that is 60. Okay, and a person that's name that is Aman. Aman can do a piece of work in 12 days. Okay, Aman can do a piece of work that is in 12 days, and suppose we have a total work that is 60. Okay, so what is the efficiency of Aman? So Aman's efficiency, it will be total work that is 60 divided by 1 day divided by the work done by Aman, that is 12. So it will be 5 times. So 5 is the efficiency. That means Aman can do 5 unit work in 1 day. Efficiency, that is that the actual meaning of efficiency, that is 1 day work. तो देखिए efficiency का मतलब होता है कार्य करने की क्षमता एक दिन की। तो अगर कोई भी लोग हैं, टोटल वर्क अगर 60 है हमारे पास में, टोटल कार्य 60 है, और अमन जो है वो 12 दिन में काम करता है, ठीक है। तो अगर मैं टोटल वर्क को डिवाइड कर दूंगा अमन से, अमन के कार्य करने से, तो अमन की एक दिन की क्षमता निकल के आ जाएगी। उसको क्या कहेंगे, इफिशियंसी। इफिशियंसी दैट मीन्स क्षमता। ओके, तो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट। आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस first problem here. Okay, A can complete a work in 10 days and B can do it in 15 days. In how many days total work will be finished if they work together? Okay, so question ये कहा गया है कि एक A person है, वो किसी काम को 10 दिन में पूरा करता है, और B है वो 15 दिन में पूरा करता है। तो दोनों अगर एक साथ मिलके काम करेंगे तो कितने दिनों में काम कंप्लीट हो पाएगा? ये बिल्कुल बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर की प्रॉब्लम है। This is the really very basic structure problem, and I'm going to solve this right now. See, suppose A is the man who can do that work in 10 days. Okay, another man, that is B. B can complete this work in 15 days. Okay, so you just need to calculate the LCM of 10 and 15. Okay, so tell me what is the LCM of 10 and 15. So the table of 15, it will be 30. So 30 is divisible by 10 and 15, both the elements, so 30 will be the LCM. That will be the total work also, total work. Okay, and now you just need to calculate the efficiency. That means 1 day work. Okay, so divide 30 by 10, it will be 3. Divide 30 by 15, it will be 2. So A's 1 day work, that is 3. A's efficiency, that is 3. B's efficiency, that is 2. Okay, so you just need to calculate how many days will be required to complete the work if they are working together. Okay, so these are the two men, that means A plus B. So their addition of efficiencies, you just need to add the efficiencies. That will be 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, so the total work will be required, that is total work. The total days will be required, that is 30, that is the total work. You just need to divide by the efficiency of A plus B, that will be 5. So it will be 6 days. Here we can write A plus B's. We are performing operations on A plus B's. Okay, देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है, ए किसी काम को 10 दिन में कर रहा है तो मैंने यहाँ 10 लिख दिया, बी किसी काम को 15 दिन में कर रहा है, मैंने यहाँ 15 लिख दिया. अब देखिए 10 और 15 का एलसीएम कितना आया, 30. ये हमारा क्या हो गया, टोटल वर्क. टोटल वर्क को डिवाइड कर दिया ए से, वो निकल के आया 3, तो ये ए की इफिशियंसी हो गई, ए की एक दिन कार्य करने की क्षमता, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इफिशियंसी. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट बी, बीज इट विल बी 30 डिवाइड बाय 15, ये हो जाएगा 2. ठीक है, क्लियर. ए प्लस बी का अगर हमें निकालना है तो ए दोनों की इफिशियंसी कितनी होगी, 3 प्लस 2, दैट इज 5. क्लियर. तो ए प्लस बी का अगर हमें निकालना है 30 डिवाइड बाय 5, इट विल बी 6 डेज. सो दैट विल बी योर आंसर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रॉब्लम. आपको एक क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2. There are basically 3 persons, A, B and C. Okay, they can complete a work in 10, 12 and 15 days respectively. In how many days total work will be finished if they work together? The problem is really very simple. So if you are beginner, then you need to learn the ABCD of time and work. That's why I am trying to solve from the basic level up to higher level. Okay, see, first person, that is A, second one is B, third one is C. Okay, E can complete the work in 10 days respectively, B it will be 12 and C it will be 15. तो यहाँ हो क्या रहा है, 3 लोग हैं A B C और वो किसी काम को 10, 12, 15 दिन में ख़त्म करते हैं. A 10 दिन लगाता है, B 12 लगाता है और C 15 लगाता है. तो अगर तीनों एक साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे तो काम कब खत्म होगा, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. ओके, सी, you need to calculate the LCM of these 3 elements. Okay, 10, 12 and 15. So 15 is the larger number. You need to read the table of 50. Second element will be 30, third will be 45, fifth will be 60. Then the 60, that is the number is divisible by 10, 12 and 15. Okay, so this will be the LCM and also total work. T work, it is denoted as a total work. Okay, so you need to calculate the efficiency, that is E here. Okay, so what will be the efficiency of A? You need to divide the total work by A's work. 60 divided by 10, it will be 6. 60 divided by 12, it will be 5. 60 divided by 15, it will be 4 times. Okay, 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 plus 4, that is 15. So this is the efficiency of A plus B plus C. This will be the efficiency of A plus B plus C. It will be 15. Okay, if they all are working together, that means you need to calculate the time when A plus B plus C work together. Okay, so it will be total work, that is 60, divided by efficiency of A plus B plus C, that is 15. So they will take 4 days. Okay, so I hope you understand this basic structure of this kind of problems. देखिए ए बी और सी तीनों का टाइम लिख लिया, क्या किस टाइम में काम कर रहे हैं. तो ये 10 दिन लगा रहा है, ये 12 दिन लगा रहा है, ये 15 दिन लगा रहा है. तीनों का एलसीएम मैंने निकाला, 60 निकल के आया, यही हमारा टोटल वर्क होगा. तो अगर हमने ए की एफिशिएंसी निकाली तो 60 को डिवाइड कर दिया 10 से, ये 6 आया. बी से डिवाइड करा तो 5 आया, सी से डिवाइड किया तो 4 आया. ए प्लस बी प्लस सी कितना हो गया, ये 15 हो गया. ठीक है, इफिशिएंसी ऐड कर दिया, 6 5 11 4 15. अब अगर ए प्लस बी प्लस सी का मुझे निकालना है कि कितने दिनों में ये लोग काम करेंगे, तो इनकी इफिशिएंसी से डिवाइड कर दिया टोटल वर्क को. 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 15 दैट इज 4 days. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3. सी फ्रेंड्स, there are basically two men P and Q. They can complete the work in 6 days. They are working together. Okay, so we can write here P plus Q. They can work in 6 days. Okay, P will finish the work in 10 days. In how many days Q alone can complete the total work? तो क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि P और Q दोनों एक साथ मिलके काम कर रहे हैं. P and Q आर वर्किंग टुगेदर एंड दे कैन फिनिश द वर्क इन 6 days. P और Q काम को 6 दिन में खत्म करते हैं. P विल फिनिश द वर्क इन 10 days. P काम को 10 दिन में खत्म करता है. इन हाउ मेनी डेज Q एलोन कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क? Q जो है वो अकेला कितने दिनों में काम को फिनिश करेगा? दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर. ओके, P प्लस Q 6 दिन में कर रहा है और P अकेला जो है वो 10 दिन में कर रहा है. You need to find the LCM. So what will be the LCM of 10 and 60? It will be 30. Okay, the LCM of 10 and 6, that is 30, because 30 is a number divisible by 10 and 6 on both the numbers. Okay, so this will be total work also, TW. So what will be the efficiency of P plus Q? Divide 30 by 6, it will be 5. Divide 30 by 10, it will be 3. Okay, and friends, one thing here, you need to calculate the value of Q. How much time Q alone can complete the work? आपको Q calculate करना है. If B can deduct P in P plus Q minus P, it will be Q. P and P will be cancel out. There will be only Q. So you can calculate the P from P plus Q minus P. So deduct the efficiencies. 5 minus 3, it will be 2. You don't need to deduct from these two elements. Okay, don't do that right now. You have to add the efficiencies. You have to deduct the efficiencies. आपको क्या करना है, efficiency में से ही addition करना है और एक efficiency में से दूसरी efficiency को हटाना है. तो देखिए P plus Q में से अगर मैंने P घटा दिया तो P कैंसिल आउट हुआ, हमें Q मिल गया. तो 5 में से 3 घटाया, 2 मिल गया, Q की वैल्यू 2 मिल गई. अब ये पूछ रहा है Q कब काम खत्म करेगा? तो Q will finish the work in total work, that is 30, divide by Q's efficiency, that is 2. It will take 15 days. तो 15 दिन में Q काम को खत्म करेगा. ओके, आपको समझ में आया होगा. अगर if you are feeling any kind of difficulty, then you can put your query in comment box.